You keep putting your offer out there and nobody's buying. Let's talk about why. What's up, y'all? So, look, I already know what's going through your head right now. You built this offer, you know it's good, and you know you can help people. But every time you post about it or you put it out there, crickets. And then you start spiraling saying, is my price too high? Maybe I should lower it. Maybe nobody wants this. Maybe I'm just not cut out for selling. I've been there. So let me save you some time because 9 times out of 10, it's not your offer. Most of the time, it comes down to three things: your messaging, your pricing, and the way you present the offer. Here's what I mean. When someone lands on your post or your offer page, they need to know three things immediately. What is this? Who is it for? And what's going to happen when I buy it? That's it. But most of the time, you're writing long, worthy descriptions that come across as trying to sound smart or professional. And the people who actually need what you have, they're scrolling right past it because they don't even understand what you're selling. You got to talk like your audience talks. Like if you help people meal prep, per se, don't say I provide customized nutritional frameworks for busy professionals. Just say I help busy moms figure out what to cook for the week in 30 minutes. You see the difference? One of those sounds like a textbook. The other one sounds like something a real person would actually click on. So that's the first thing. Get clear on your messaging. Now, the second thing, and this is going to sting a little bit, stop undercharging. I know. You think if you lower the price, more people will buy. But that's not how it works. When your price is too low, people don't trust it. They think something's wrong with it. They think it's not going to work. You ever seen something for like $2 and you thought, nah, that can't be good. No, no good quality. Your audience is doing the same thing to your offer right now. Priced it based on the result you help people get, not based on how you feel about yourself that day. Those are two different things. And then the last piece, your offer page or your post, whatever you're using to sell your thing, it needs to do one thing. It needs to make the person reading it say, this is for me. That's the whole job. Not impress them, not educate them on your whole entire life story. Just make them feel seen. When somebody reads your stuff and goes, oh wow, she or he really literally knows talking about me right now. And that's when they buy. So real quick, I want to ask you this. When you describe your offer to somebody, do they get it right away? Or do you find yourself over explaining and adding a bunch of extra stuff? Drop it in the comments because I'm really curious. And if you're sitting here like, okay, but I really literally don't know what to charge, I made something just for you. It's a pricing confidence worksheet. It's short, like 4 to 6 pages, no fluff. You sit down, you work through it, and by the end, you walk away with a price you can actually say out loud without feeling weird about it. Link is in the description. Go grab it, it's free.